Hey guys, it's Saturday. I think it's the 3rd. Yeah, it's August 3rd. I decided to do something with my face because I don't know. I needed to get out of a funk and I need to keep busy. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Wynter is awake, playing with my clips. I want to start doing like weekend vlogs, but I would say weekday, but I literally do the same thing all day. I just go to work, come home, go to sleep, so it'll be pointless. But I just wanted to show you guys like a weekend in our life every weekend. I probably sound down because I am not having the best day already. I need to get some coffee. So yeah, we're about to head out the door, and yeah, I will see you guys in my car. Probably when I whip this camera out again. Okay, so I had to turn down my music. Why is the police here? I wanted to go to Six Flags today, but I am not feeling today right now, but I need to do something to clear my mind, so I decided that I'm gonna go to IKEA. If you guys don't know, summer is like the worst time for me, and then that transition between summer to get into fall is also hard for me. So right now life is crunchy to say the least. But I'm about to go to IKEA because I have to keep doing something to get my mind off stuff. Your mind is a prison if you let it. And right now, I'm in Alcatraz, okay? So I'm about to go to IKEA and start some of like that's my daughter, yeah. Yeah. And start some of my fall decorations. So yeah.
Item by pressing the option on the screen. Write the full book out and get them. It says in that one-on-one.
Word, get it on my back.
Oh yeah. My tire needs to be replaced. My shit wobbling.
So I'm back at home. I low-key changed my shirt to a sweater, and what is that? Oh, maybe it's just a glare. And I just woke up from a nap because I was tired, and the nap was literally like 20 minutes, if that. I tried to show you guys us in IKEA, but do you know how hard it is to like be in IKEA with a toddler, a crying toddler? Like, usually Wynter don't cry when we're in stores, but for some reason she did today. So let me just show you guys a few of the things that I got. So I got this plant. It's so nice. I really love this plant. and it's pretty tall too. It's not gonna sit on this TV, but yeah. And that's my dead plant, like it's dead. And I also, well, this is my potting mix that I left in the car that I finally got out. But I got some pillows. These were like $2. Time for fall. I got these. These actually go over the pillows that I already have, and I got it in like this mustard color. And I also got this, which is like a little cheap throw. It was literally like probably like $3 or $4. And then I don't have curtains in the living room, so I also got these curtains. I got 2 packs because I kind of have like a panel window. I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a bay window. So I got 2 packs and they're white. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got from IKEA. Literally just these, that, and then the plant.